Hello! In front of me I have Motorola Moto E22 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this phone. First we need to lock the screen on our phone, so you can press the power button to lock the screen. After you lock the screen, you can pick your phone up, and now we need to find the SIM card and SD card tray on this phone. And it's located on the left side of the phone, top left side. And here we have it. This is the SIM card and SD card tray. Looks like this. To open this tray, we need to use some kind of pin tool. Usually one comes with your phone. Looks like something like this. Basically anything that fits this hole right here. And to open this tray, you simply take that pin tool, insert into this hole, and then once the pin tool is in the hole, you can push it in like this, and the tray should pop out. You can take out the tool and then use the nails or fingers to remove the SIM card and SD card tray. Okay, and here we have our tray. Looks like this, and on it we have the two SIM card slots and the SD card slot. Okay, now let's take our SD card first and place it on a tray. Basically it fits only one way. There's a cutout. You can place it and then press it a little for it to stay like this. And then you can put your SIM card, nano size SIM card, looks like this, on a tray that also fits only one way because there's a cutout, and it fits like this. And now we can insert the tray into our phone, but be careful because the cards tend to fall off. So we need to be very careful when you're inserting the tray into a phone. Let me put the card back on the tray. Okay, pick up my phone, and I'm gonna hold the phone this way because it's gonna make it easier to insert the tray without the cards falling off, and then slowly slide it in like this till the end. And once the tray is flush with the case of the phone, you can wake up the screen on your phone, and as you can see, the SIM card is working because we have the LTE connection. We have it right here, and the SD card is also working because it got detected by our phone. Okay, and that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.